Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. And in this video I'm going to show you how to generate PowerPoint slides and even export them in PPT using NotebookLM, but now it's called Gemini Notebook. Okay, so it's their new upgrade. The name had been revamped and the branding has changed, as we can see. So it's now called Gemini Notebook. So you can start by accessing Gemini Notebook by coming to the same website, notebooklm.google.com, and it will bring you over here. Of course, you have to sign in with, you can click on try Gemini Notebook, and then you have to sign in with your Google account that you have. Now you have the option to kickstart your notebook from afresh, or you can use existing ones. Now when you click create new notebook from here or from here at the top right, so once I click on create a new notebook, it is going to pop up in here. So you have the option to create a new notebook from your search web sources. You can search directly from here and it's going to search the internet, and then you can do a web search, which is a default, or the drive search, or you can do fast or deep research if you are interested in any of them. Alternatively, you can come down here and you can upload your files from your system, and they will serve as sources also within this particular notebook. Also, you can use website URLs that you have, maybe blog posts, YouTube links. You can as well put all of them in here to serve as sources as well, or you can use the drive directly and link up with the drive of the accounts that you have in here. Now you can use copy text as well to serve as your source that you're going to create this presentation from. So for this case, I'm going to just search the internet and I'm going to use that as my sole source for the presentation that I'm going to create. So top 10 tips and tricks on how to deliver effective presentations. So I'm just going to hit on this, and this is now going to go ahead and search the web, and it's going to bring out sources that we are going to now use for this particular assignment. All right, so you can see it has populated some sources. You can see them 1, 2, 3 and 7 more sources, and if you want to, you can import all of them, or you can check to review all, and I can view the other ones, and then you can click on import, and it's going to import those sources to give you a very fantastic experience with all of your sources. And the best part of this is that you can select all or deselect some sections of the sources. All right, so this is the sources, and it has given us a quick summary of what we have. You can see it in here, and the next thing is you can select which of the sources and deselect anyone that you want, and then from here you can ask follow-up questions and have direct chat with the sources that you have inside this chat area. But our mission for today is to generate slides, which is going to be from the slide deck in here. Now when you click from here, it is just going to click select to generate these slides directly, but for now I'm going to click on this small arrow, which is going to give us this customized slide deck option, which you're going to select the format, for example the details deck or presenter deck. I prefer this one because this is the difference: a comprehensive deck with full text and details, perfect for emailing or reading on its own. A presenter deck is a clean visual slides with key talking points to support you while you speak. So let's say we're going to use the presenter slide, and then the language in here, you have a bunch of languages to choose from. So let's say I'm going with English. The length I'm going to keep at default. If you want it shorter, you can define short. I want to keep it at default. The sources, we have all these sources, but you're free to deselect any of the source if you don't want any. But for now, I want to select all and then confirm this. And then down here, if you have a specific direction that you want it to follow during the preparation of the slides, you can give the direction in here. So for example, I can say, okay, so I can now just give this and say focus on the points or tips on how to become an effective speaker, and I can say generate. Now this is going to go through and generate my slides for me. So we just give it some seconds and I'll see what this is going to generate for us. All right, and as you can see, the slides have been created. So let's just click to have a preview. All right, so you can see mastering the stage. This is the key thing. This is the key thing. You can see all of the features, even dissecting and analyzing every key detail. Now you have the option to view this in full mode. Like you can see them slide by slide. Okay, slide by slide, just like that. Okay, and then you can be able to on your own play it. Okay, if you want to play, you can play. So it's going to start the slideshow just like that. Very, very nice, and I like the background of the whole thing. And then if you like, you can revise any of the slides. You can click on revise, and then maybe you can go to a particular slide. You can say change the color. So this is slide 3, and then you can go to maybe slide 5 and say change the text color to white. example. So these are 2 revisions that I have made, and when you click here, you'll be able to see which slides require the revision and what revision is needed. You can clear if you want, and then once you're okay with all of this, you can just go ahead and click on generate, and this is now going to regenerate and now give us an updated slide with the effects that we have added. While we wait for the update to be out, let me show you how we can kind of export what we have created. So you can come to this 3 dots and you can download it in PDF, or you can download it in .pptx as well, depending on your choice. And once you click on pptx, of course, it's going to download what we have created in .pptx, which is what it is doing right now. So you can see right now it has finished the download, and you should be able to have your slides visualized directly. You can see them. You can enable editing, and you can be able to just have a look. Now let's quickly review the changes that it has made. All right, and as you can see, it has just finished. So let's just click and let's make it full screen, and let's see whether it has actually affected the changes. And you can see slide 3 has been transformed to white, and then this other one, the coloration had been changed to white. Okay, this one, you see the text, the color has been changed to white. So basically this does it. You can go ahead, revise or play or share directly if you want to share on, and you can put in the restriction. You can define the restriction as well from here, and then copy the link and share with people to join and use this particular slide. So this basically concludes this simple tutorial on how to generate PowerPoint slides using the Gemini notebook, completely free of charge. I do hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.